Hello North Rockland. I'm just going to do a quick review video of our new copiers that we have in our buildings. Many of the copiers that were replaced, the mass copiers, the old Xerox D95s are replaced with the Canon copier, the Image Runner Advanced 8595i. One of the first steps that we need you to do in order so we can start moving into the more secure print environment where we can add other features for teachers to use is authenticating your ID badge with the system. Okay, so your first steps when you walk up to a machine, you're going to see on the actual console you have the option right now to copy, scan, send, scan, and share, and you have the secure print. By selecting secure print, it'll now bring you to where it says please identify yourself with your ID card. The very first time that you are going to go ahead and scan your card, so now if we look at the machine itself, the scanner is right there, okay? And you're going to scan your card. After scanning, it's going to bring you to this screen. It will identify, it will say that we have read your card, but there's no match. And in order to create that match in our system, you're going to tap to open keyboard. You're going to put in your computer network logon. So that is first initial, last name. Once again, that's your computer network logon. That is your first initial and last name. You're going to put in your password for your computer, all right? When you log on to the network, put in your password. Now, this is a one-time setup, so even when we do our reset of our password on our computers, you do not have to do that step again here at the copy machine. Once you are done with that, you're going to go ahead and click OK. So I'm going to scan into the machine. Scan in. It says now it's going to try to log me in, and now I'm logged in. You will notice that I have one job sent here. So I sent this from my computer at the district office, and I'm actually in Fieldstone right now, and I'm going to pick up my job. So in order to see what my job is, right, I can select a job, and you'll see that I have, it's going to be 2 pages, and I want 100 copies. If I want to add other features to this, I'm going to select options, and then I have different options that I can now choose. If I want it stapled, I want it hole punched, if I want to change the amount that I want to copy it to. And once I am all done with that, okay, I can then select print and keep, so it'll stay in the queue, or I can go print and delete. When the job is done, it will be removed. Right now, your print queue, right, this right here, print jobs will stay in the print queue for a max of 72 hours. Now, if I wanted to just walk up and copy, so eventually, right, I'm going to scan, it's going to bring me to this queue first. But if I wanted to walk and put a copy job in while I'm at the machine, my step would be I go to main menu, and now I'll have copy. I will then put my job in, set it up of what I want to do. Say I want to do 50 copies. I go to options. I can then change my different settings that I want within my copying. And when I'm done, I click start, or sorry, close and start. If I go back to main menu, some other features that we're going to have here on the machine, if we go to scan and send. When I scan and send, this is how I can send something to myself or email to other people. A new feature that we have the address book. And if I do a search by name, and let's say if I want to just find myself. Okay, and all the Maltbys in the district will pop up. And I want to send it to myself. I click OK. I can then send the job to myself. Okay. Once again, these are some just basic features that we have added to the machine. Over time, we'll go over many more functions that we'll have in regards to using these new Canon machines. Some basics of the machine itself, just so you have an idea, this is the finisher on this side. This is where your work will come out. For the most part, your paper trays, right? You have paper trays 1, 2, 3, and 4. And over here, this big guy, number 5, is a very large paper tray. Holds, I think, 8 reams of paper. By hitting that button, it opens. You then load with paper, and then you close. Okay? So anyways, I hope this video is helpful just to get you started with the new copiers. Once again, the IT department really does thank you for all your patience as we are transitioning into this new copy environment. Thank you.